Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preserving the original. Duplicate the layer immediately so you can always revert. Once done, use Quick Selection or Magic Wand to capture the check pattern roughly. Set tolerance low if colors are similar. Add a layer mask to isolate the selection, then open Select and Mask to smooth and shift edges. Use a small radius and the Refine Edge brush for hairline checks. Make sure to feather slightly so removal won't leave hard borders, and switch to black/white brush to fine-tune the mask. Now remove the pattern. With the masked region active, use Content-Aware Fill and choose Sample All Layers plus Color Adaptation so Photoshop synthesizes nearby texture and tone. If artifacts remain, switch to Clone Stamp on a new layer at 50–80% opacity and clone from similar wood, paper, or fabric grain. Resample often to avoid repeating patterns. Then create a fresh layer set to Overlay or Soft Light and use low-opacity brush strokes to dodge and burn, matching local brightness and restoring natural texture. Finish by checking at 100% zoom and toggling the background on and off to verify seamless removal. Apply spot healing for tiny blemishes and the mixer brush to subtly blend color transitions. Sample from adjacent tones so strokes look organic. If you see halos at edges, contract the mask by a pixel or two and feather 0.51px, or use Select Modify Contract then refeather. If repeating textures appear, break them up with Clone Stamp, sampling further away, until the result reads naturally.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.